And then on the way down, we stayed some days in, where was that? Portland, I think? What is that up there? I don't know. I remember
Oregon.
Was it Portland?
I
don't even remember, and I was there. Anyways, the weed there was very good. The farmers there, they're farmers, and they grow their own weed, so they grow it very well.
Yo, shout out to farmers.
Yeah, the fucking farmers grow plants.
Shout out to farmers.
That shit was better than LA weed, I'll say that. It was crazy. It was so
farmers know what they're doing, bro. They got
who'd have thought? Farmers, bro.
Dude, my eyes are like halfway closed.
The world without farmers, holy fuck! Like, not a world
we'd all
I
be
wanna live
dead.
in.
We wouldn't have even evolved.
Yeah, we'd all be hunter-gatherers going...
Straight pimp chimping.
We'd run out of animals a long time ago.
Pimp chimping.
Surely do the pimp chimping.
Shout out to
farmers.
farmers.
We pimp chimping.
Surely pimp chimping just rests in peace from now on, because pimp chimping...
Fuck you.
Yeah,
It's here to stay.
agreed.
Am I right, Mason? Fuck pimp chimping.
I think he's right. I think you should go.
It's the horse is being beaten to death twice.
Have you even tried it? Have you even tried it?
Tried what? Have I tried
You
what?
talk like you haven't even chimped your pimp before.
We're pimp chimping.
You want me
Try
to say,
it, bro.
You want me to try and say that?
Man.
Yes, dude.
I don't know if I can, bro. It's going to compromise my integrity.
All right. Well, then let's get off of this subject.
Oh,
what were you
fuck. Yeah,
saying?
we're way off track. Speaking of which, blah, blah, blah. Sorry.
Wait, now I kind of want to do it.
Shit again.
Now I kind of want to do it.
I kind of wanted to do it as well.
Matt, just hold that thought. All right, go for it.
So what's my line?
Yo, we pimp chimping.
Yo, we pimp chimping. Like that?
That was cringe. No, that was cringe.
That was pretty
You
cringe.
didn't do it
We
right.
kick him.
Yeah,
You
it's
didn't
I
do
think it's
it
more
right.
like, should be more like, me monkey.
Me monkey is the new pimp chimping.
Me monkey.
Nah, that was so good.
Who stole me monkey?
Oh, what is
Right,
this,
what?
Matt?
Okay,
Matt,
back-
As
you
we
were
were
saying-
saying, Matt. as we
Oh,
were
yeah,
saying,
we're getting off track.
Oh,
Anyways.
yeah.